Bangalore because, as you know, Bangalore is Bangalore. The energy here is unmissable. So our film 3 BHK is releasing on the 4th of July, and I'll just tell you quickly one reason why, as a team, we would love for you to watch the film. 3 BHK, like every single one of us here, we are working towards our dreams, and each and every one of us have dreams. We want to do something in life, and this film is exactly about that. It's a film filled with hope, and it's a film that we hope you watch because it will make you feel nice, it will motivate you to, you know, live life the way we want to. So please come and watch our film, and while I'm here, thank you Mr. Banjay for gracing this occasion and Mr. Hemant for gracing this occasion. We're really privileged, and I'm extremely grateful to the production, Shanti Talkies and Mr. Arun Vishwa and the entire production team for putting together such a wonderful film and such a wonderful promotional time that we've had. And to the entire cast, Mr. Siddharth sir, Shant Kumar sir, Devyani ma'am, they've been kind to me and to Chaitra and to all of us from day one, and they've been welcoming as a family, so thank you. And thank you, Chair, the Bengaluru girl, for just being a really good friend. And to the director, Mr. Shrigiri, she couldn't be here. He's written a wonderful film, and I hope if you watch it, you'll feel the same. And to the editor and the music director, Amrit. Amrit has we can't wait for you to listen to the songs that Amrit has made for this film. It's just made our lives so much more beautiful, Amrit. Thank you so much. And to the entire direction team and the whole team that put this film together, I'm extremely grateful, and we're just really happy to be here. Thank you.
Hi everybody, thank you for coming here and gracing this lovely occasion of a 3 BHK. Thank you so much. I would like to thank the press and media, and I'd also like to thank the owners of the mall for giving us the permission to grace this lovely occasion of our family, 3 BHK. Ellarukku nandri. So thank you, and this is a wonderful occasion. 3 BHK is going to release on 4th July. 4th July la release agudhu. Ellaru kandipa theater la poi paakanum. Yes, Telugu audience, Tamil fans, everybody please make it a point to go with your whole family oda சேர்ந்து போயிட்டு தியேட்டர்ல நாம 3 BHK பாருங்க. எங்க 3 BHK ஓட கிரகப்பிரவேசம் ஜூலை 4th அன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் வாங்க, சாப்பிட்டு போங்க.
From when I was very young, and I've had the opportunity to perform music across the country, across different cities, but performing in Bangalore has always been the most special. The way the audience responds to music is something else, and it's always special. So thank you for having me. About 3 BHK, it's really been a dream to work with all these amazing people. I want to thank Arun for giving me this incredible opportunity and allowing me to express myself and trusting me. This is really because of you. I want to thank my director Sri Ganesh. I want to thank all the cast and crew. Big shout out to Siddharth sir especially, because he's been more than a brother. He's not only been an incredible artist to create for, but we've created music for this album together. He sung 2 songs in the album, so you all have to listen to it. Yeah, I mean, I really want to thank Think Music for supporting me in this journey and helping my music reach places. And for me, one thing that I want to say is, when I was working on the movie, I realized that this is a story that all of you can relate to. The ambition of wanting to buy a house, but at some level it really made me realize that you have to be your own superhero. So every person in this film, every character has been their own superhero, and I hope that's something that all of you can take away and be your own superhero. That's something that I've taken away from this movie. So thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm very used to being behind the camera, so being in front of the camera is really not my comfort zone, but very proud to be here because I've grown up watching Siddharth sir's films. I still remember before I started my first film, when I was aspiring to be a filmmaker, I watched Vande Vasante in the theatres multiple number of times, and to be sitting here, to be standing here is amazing. So, and of course, Chaitra, very dear collaborator from Side B in Saptasagara. ನನಗೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಆಸೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕೆಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. So I'm very excited. I'm very big fan of the producer for picking such stories in today's times. I wish the absolute best for this team. Sharat sir, huge legend in the film, in films. So to be here, I'm a little nervous. Anyways, thank you so much for having me here. And cinema is meant to be experienced in theaters, not on mobile phones. The whole feeling of sitting in a dark room and watching a story is what is absolutely beautiful about films. So catch this in the theaters. Thank you for having me.
Sir, one nimsha nam jote
see definitely.
I'm very happy. Thank you so much, Hemant. It means the world to me. ನಾನು ಸಪ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಈ ತಂಡ ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣನೇ ಸಪ್ತಸಾಗರದ ಆಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಮಂತಿಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಬಂದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಲಿಟಲ್
Thank you, Hemant sir. And let's start talking to Chaitra. Chaitra, tell us.
Hey, hi everybody. Elrigu namaskara. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಧನಂಜಯ್ ಅವರೇ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ there is one common man who connects with everybody and that is our Dhananjay, darling Dhananjay. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಲ್ಮೋಗ್ರಫಿ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅವರು ಅದೇ ತರ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮವಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರ್ತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಒಕೇಶನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 3 BHK ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ಯು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಯು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನವರು ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ ಹೋಗಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಹೋಪ್, ಒಂದು ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು, ಒಂದು ಜೋಶಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಮೋಟಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ 3 BHK. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದೆ. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅವರು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಶರತ್ ಸರ್, ದೇವ್ಯಾನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಕಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೇಮೋತ್ಸವ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವ್ಯಾನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೆಜರ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ OTT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅದು ಡಬ್ಬಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ನಟನೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ನನಗೆ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನನ್ಗೊಂದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ನೀತಾ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೆಜರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನೋಡಿ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟ ಅರುಣ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಕರೆದು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ತಿದ್ದಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಡನ್ ಅ ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಮೃತ್ ರಾಮರಾವ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಬೇಗ ಜುಲೈ 4ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಚೈತ್ರ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ
ಎರಡು ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ 1% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. Well, I've heard you sing really well, so I'm going to give you a singing mic. I'm going to take this back. So everybody, come on, let's give it up for Chaitra. Any song, anything that you would like to sing here. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಾಡೇ ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Go for it.
3 BHK ನನಗೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಬಂತು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಲೋಯರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದನೂ ನಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮನೆ ಈ ಥರದೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಕನಸದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರದೊಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ 3 BHK ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಾತರದಿಂದ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನನಗಂತೂ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಹೋದರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಹೋದರ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ರಂಗೇ ಬಸಂತಿ ಬೊಮ್ಮರಿಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತೂ ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಶೋ ಥರ ರನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೊಮ್ಮರಿಲ್ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸೇ ಆಗಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 BHK ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಂಬಿಸ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಏಜು ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕರು, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶರತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮವರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅನ್ಸೋಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರ ಅವರು. ಇನ್ನು ಚೈತ್ರ, ನಂಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಚೈತ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಲಾವಿದರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಜವಾದ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಾರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಒಂದು ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಹುಡುಕಾಟ, ಒಂದು ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಹರಿವಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಚೈತ್ರದು ಹುಡುಕಾಟ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವು ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಚೈತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ನಮಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇವಯಾನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರು ಭಾಳ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಹಾವೀರನ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೀಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಂಬ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿನಿಮಾನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡೀ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಲಿ 3 BHK. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir.
So I'll try my best. 3 BHK is releasing on July 4th in Tamil and Telugu. So I'll speak one line Tamil, one line Telugu throughout the speech. Okay. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా 3 BHK కుటుంబానికి ఇంత ప్రేమ చూపించినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. நாங்கள் சென்னையிலிருந்து உங்களை மீட் பண்றதுக்கு குடும்பத்தோடு வந்திருக்கோம். அந்த కుటుంబத்துல ஒவ்வொரு மனுஷனும் ஸ்பெஷல். వాళ్ళని మనం కలిస్తే బాగుంటుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. మా ప్రొడ్యూసర్తో మొదలెడదాం. எங்க ప్రొడ్యూసర్ పేరు అరుణ్ విశ్వ. శాంతి టాకీస్. అతని మదర్ పేరు శాంతి. ఆవిడ ఇప్పుడు మనతో లేరు. அவங்க ஞாபகமா அவங்க பேர்ல ப்ரொடக்ஷன் கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு அவர் சாந்தி டாக்கீஸ் கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ఈ శాంతి టాకీస్ తమిళ్లో మాత్రం కాదు, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా ఒక బ్రాండ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ కంపెనీగా ఉంటుందని నా నమ్మకం ఉంది అరుణ్ విశ్వ. అది நடக்கிற வரைக்கும் நானும் விட மாட்டேன், அவன் கூடவே இருப்பேன். తర్వాత ఈ సినిమా డైరెక్టర్ శ్రీ గణేష్ గారు. అతను ఒక చాలా జెంటిల్ అయిన టెర్రరిస్ట్ అంటాను. చూడ్డానికి ஒரு ஸ்கூல் பையன் மாதிரி இருப்பான். ஆனா அவனோட நடவடிக்கை எல்லாமே எனக்கு வேணுங்கிறது நான் விட மாட்டேன் అలా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. సో శ్రీ గణేష్ has given us this film which we are very proud of. అతని కోసం, అతని రైటింగ్ కోసం ఈ సినిమా మీరు చూడాలని నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. ఏనా ఇది ఉంగ కథ, ఇది మీ కథ, ఇది మీ ఇంట్లో జరిగిన కథ, ఇది ఉంగ వీట్లో ఉంగ కుటుంబத்துக்கு நடந்த కథ. మీలో ఎంతమంది లైఫ్లో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు? పర్లేదు చెప్పండి, ఎంతమంది లైఫ్లో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు? నేను ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాను, అందుకే నేను చేయి చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఎన్న மாதிரி ఎవరో పేరు ఫెయిల్ అడిగింది. ఎంతమందిలో ఎవరో వచ్చి ఇది నీ వల్ల కాదురా అని చెప్పారు? ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? எவ்வளோ பேர் கிட்ட வந்து இது ஒன்னால முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? எவ்வளோ பேர் இருக்கீங்க? సో మనలాంటి ఫెయిలియర్స్ కోసం ఈ సినిమా తీసాం. ఎందుకంటే ஒரு வாட்டி లైఫ్లో ఫెయిల్ ఆగலாம், అన్న దట్స్ నాట్ ద ఎండ్. మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ట్రై చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి, శ్రమిస్తూనే ఉండాలి, కష్టపట్టుకిட்டே இருக்கணும். దట్ ఈస్ లైఫ్. సో శ్రీ గణేష్ ఈ సినిమా நம்மள மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரகிளர்ஸ்க்காக எடுத்திருக்காரு. So all of you, a big round of applause for my director Sri Ganesh. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த குடும்பம் இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணம் அம்மா அப்பா, அம்மா நானா, தள்ளி தன்றி பெத்தவங்க. இந்த குடும்பத்தோட டிரைவிங் ஃபோர்ஸ், சென்டர், யூனிவர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இந்த ரெண்டு பேர் தான். மை மதர் சாந்தி గారు, எங்க அப்பா மிஸ்டர் வாசுதேவன். இந்த ரெண்டு ரோல்ஸ்க்காக சரத் சாரும் தேவயானி மேமும் எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சது எங்களுக்கு என்னமோ ஒரு பெரிய జాక్పాట్ అడిచ மாதிரி ஒரு ఫీలింగ్. సో వీళ్ళ వల్ల ఈ ఫ్యామిలీ అందమైంది. என்னோட ఫేమస్ డైలాగ్ ఏమని சொல்லணும்னா మొత్తం మీరే చేశారు. Thank you so much Anand sir, thank you so much Devani ma'am. We are so proud to be your children in this film. ఈ సినిమాలో నా చెల్లి ఆర్తి ప్లే చేసింది మీతా, గుడ్ నైట్ సినిమా హీరోయిన్. యు ఆర్ an extraordinary actor, I have already told you this. ఈ సినిమా తర్వాత உங்களுக்கு நிறைய பெரிய பெரிய வாய்ப்புகள் வரும். You are going to be so busy. I am so happy to have you on this project next to me. And నువ్వు నాతో ఉండడం వల్ల నా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చాలా బెటర్ అయింది. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த படத்தோட 2000 இல்ல 10,000 वाला चैत्रा आचार, most explosive talent. Sabda Sagara I love that film and that director is a bloody brilliant director. I can't wait to work with you sir. Please give me one chance. So thank you for giving us not chance but Chaitra. So మీ వల్ల మాకు చైత్ర దొరికింది. అండ్ எங்களுக்கு చైత్రனால இந்த படத்துல நாங்க எல்லாரும் அவ்வளோ ஃபிளாட் ஆயிட்டோம், அவங்க ஃபேன்ஸ் ஆயிட்டோம் நாங்கலாம் சைத்ரா பார்த்து. ஸோ we all love you Chaitra. You are one piece only. ఫ్యాక్టరీ మూసేశారు మీ ప్రొడక్షన్ తర్వాత. సో don't ever change, always be this amazing bundle of joy and energy and talent. I can't wait to see what happens after this because it's going to be సప్తసాగర్ దాటి నీ దగ్గరకు వస్తారు అందరూ and you're going to get all the love in the world. I can't wait. And success meet వచ్చే వరకు maybe 3 BHK will be 2% more. Alva. Amrit Ramnath, the music director of this film, Bombay Jayashree gar abbai. அவர் இந்த படத்துக்கு பண்ண மியூசிக் எனக்காக நீங்க எல்லாரும் சின்ன ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணணும். உங்க எல்லார்கிட்டயும் ஃபோன் இருக்கு, இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి అమృత్ రామ్నాథ్ ఆల్బమ్ ఒకసారి పూర్తిగా ஹெட்ஃபோன்ஸ் వేసుకుని వినండి. ரொம்ப நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் இவ்வளவு கம்ஃபர்டபுளான ஒரு కంప్లీట్ ఆల్బమ్ ఒక కుర్రోడు వచ్చి ఇండియన్ మ్యూజిక్ ని చేంజ్ చేయబోతున్నాడు. ఐ వాంట్ యు టు గివ్ ఆల్ యువర్ లవ్ అమృత్ రామ్నాథ్. ఈ సినిమాలో నేను 2 పాటలు పాడాను, అది మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి వినాలి ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, పాడతా ఇరుంగా. నేను 3 BHK ఎందుకు చేశానని మీరు సినిమా చూస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. இந்த படம் பார்த்த உடனே எனக்கு போய் எங்க அப்பாவை டைட்டா ஹக் பண்ணணும்னு தோணுச்சு. ఈ సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత మీకు కూడా మీ డాడీని వెళ్ళి ఇలా టైట్ గా హక్ చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఐ గివ్ యూ అన్ ఐడియా, టైం సేవింగ్. మీ నాన్నతో పాటు థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళండి, உங்க அப்பாவை கூட்டிட்டு போய் 3 BHK பாருங்க. படம் பார்த்த உடனே அங்கேயே கட்டி பிடிச்சிடலாம். బికాస్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ హేమంత్ అవరే చెప్పినట్టు ఇది ఒక వార్మ్ హగ్, ఒక వార్మ్ బ్లాంకెట్ లాంటి ఒక సినిమా. అండ్ ఐ హోప్ யூ என்ஜாய் வித் யுவர் ஃபேமிலி. இந்த படத்துக்காக இவ்வளோ அழகான ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணதுக்கு எங்களை எல்லாரும் இவ்வளோ லவ் பண்ணி இந்த பிரேம చూపించి எங்க எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலா ஃபீல் பண்ண வச்சிருக்கீங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் ஆல் யுவர் லவ். தேங்க்யூ. బట్ ఈ రోజు ఈ స్పెషల్ ఈవెంట్ ఇంత స్పెషల్ అయిందంటే దానికి ముఖ్యమైన 2 కారణాలు ఉన్నాయి. కారణం నంబర్ 1 హేమంత్ అవరే, కారణం నంబర్ 2 డాలీ. నేను డాలీ ఫ్యాన్, ఆయన ధనంజయ ఫ్యాన్. ఎందుకంటే నేను డాలీ ఒకే టైప్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టర్స్. వి లైక్ టు ప్లే కామన్ పీపుల్. వి నో ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ద కామన్ మ్యాన్ అండ్ ద రియాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఎమోషన్. So we try to connect with you through the character. So Dali, I love your work. I can't wait to see what you're cooking right now, and it's going to be great. I know what it's about and I'm so excited. Thank you for coming, both of you. It means everything to me. Artha undama please now. Set back. Three BHK ஒரு family film அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஏன்னா ఇది ఒவ்வொரு వీట్లో நடக்கிற కథ. ఈ సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత మీకు ఒక విషయం గ్యారెంటీ అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ సినిమా డైరెక్టర్ కి నా కథ ఎలా తెలిసింది అని మీకు అనిపిస్తుంది. మా ఇంట్లో జరిగింది, ఎங்க వీట్లో நடந்த కథ இந்த డైరెక్టర్కి எப்படி தெரிஞ்சது? బికాస్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఇస్ సో యూనివర్సల్, ఇట్ ఇస్ సో గ్రౌండెడ్ ఇన్ రియాలిటీ. అందుకే నేను ఫ్యామిలీతో పాటు ఈ సినిమా நீங்க பார்க்கணும்னு ఐ యామ్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ యూ. సో 4th of July 3 BHK is releasing. On behalf of the entire 3 BHK team, నేను మా బెంగళూరు పబ్లిక్ ని அவங்க కుటుంబத்தோட థియేటర్ కి ఇన్వైట్ పண்றேன். ఎందుకంటే 4th of July మా 3 BHK ఫ్యామిలీకి గృహప్రవేశం. సో మీరు అందరు రావాలి. దేవ్యాని మ్యామ్ చెప్పినట్టు హ్యాపీగా కూర్చుని నల్ల పడత ఎంజాయ్ பண்ணிட்டு சாப்பிட்டுட்டு போணும். So thank you for all the love and I will see you in cinemas on July the 4th. And now, as promised, I'll sing you something.
I'm going to ask you that you never change, okay? But in this movie, you've had a lot of changes. Like, you've been from the childhood to adulthood. There's this entire transformation that has happened in the movie. So, tell us about that and how challenging was that or easy? What was it?
See, everybody thinks that cinema is a cooking show. వంట చేస్తాం కదా, వంట షో. ఇది ఇలా చేయాలి, చికెన్ కూర అంటే ఇది, పప్పు అంటే ఇలా, సాంబార్నా ఇప్పుడు పనడం. వీఆర్ రెస్టారెంట్. అందరూ వచ్చి తిని బాగుందా బాగాలేదా అని చెప్పాలి. ఎలా టేస్ట్ చేశారు, ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారు ఇస్ నాట్ ఆడియన్స్ కన్సర్న్. ఆడియన్స్ షుడ్ నాట్ కేర్ వాట్ ద ఆర్టిస్ట్ కష్టపడి ఫైస్. సో ఐ ఎంజాయ్ డూయింగ్ 3 BHK. నాకు మళ్ళీ స్కూల్ యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకోవడానికి ఈ సినిమాలో ఛాన్స్ దొరికింది. And how is the school uniform look? Did you like it? Yeah. So that's what it's for. 3 BHK travels through all the stages of life. School nunchi middle age daaka katha eltundi. So Prabhutra character வந்து எல்லா ஏஜ் குரூப்ஸும் நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி சரத் சரையும் நீங்க 4 ஏஜ் குரூப்ல பார்க்கலாம். தேவயானி மேமையும் நீங்க 4 ஏஜ் குரூப்ல பார்க்கலாம். மீதாவையும் நீங்க 4 ஏஜ் குரூப்ல பார்க்கலாம். చైత్రాவையும் நீங்க பல ஏஜ் குரூப்ல பார்க்கலாம். ఈ సినిమాలో అందరికి 25 to 30 years ట్రావెల్ ఉంది as characters. So we have all enjoyed it like anything. And one thing, my fans know this. ఇప్పుడు కాదు కానీ నెక్స్ట్ 20 years తర్వాత కూడా ఇలాగే ఉంటారు. కరెక్ట్ కదా? ఇప్పుడేనా అయిపోయినా బికాస్ యూ లవ్ మీ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ బీ లైక్ దిస్. అప్పుడు Thank you, I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Let's give it up.
అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. सबको मेरा प्रणाम. Good evening, everybody. It's indeed a pleasure to be here. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು comes to my mind. I'm going to talk like a Siddharth, one half line in English, half line in Telugu, half line in Kannada. I'm going to open a secret over here to Siddharth and my family, the whole family. One thing I never told during all the interviews, the very first 3 BHK that I bought in my life was in 45 Palace Road, Bangalore. ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಇರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸರತ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಿನೋಡ ಮಣಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ದ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. So my family, every time I come to Bangalore, when they see 45 Palace Road, Southern Investment Property, the first high-rise building in Bangalore, that stupid idiot bought that, sold it for my friends. For me, love is everything, affection is everything, I can always earn it back. That is hope. That is why we are all here for 3 BHK, that is the greatest hope. So I get ridiculed by my family every time I come to Bangalore. Daddy, shoot daddy, 45 Palace Road by the end. So I remember that, to keep it in mind that I shouldn't do such stupid things. Neenu Nalaga avukudani cheppi Prabhu cheppani picture. So our experiences will be shared in such a way that you should not follow everything that your dad does. We have gone through experiences, that is what we give to our children. And this movie 3 BHK first, let us thank Karthik Gujrati is in company, KRG, for releasing this film. I am very happy that Karthik is releasing this film because I've done films for him. And the only thing I like, my heart goes to Punit Avaru because I worked a lot of films with him and I miss him. Actually, I wanted to go to his house and meet Ashwini Garu, but I think today we might not have much time. But definitely, I request our producer Anushka, before the film releases, we go and pay our respects to Punit Avaru and his family. It will be very nice. And Dhananjayan and Hemant Rao, it's a pleasure that I have not worked with you, but I have worked a lot of films and Siddharth, Devyani, Meeta, Chaitra. And this is about a family, every family will understand. All of us will have a dream. And my life, for maybe Hemant Rao and Dhananjayan may not know, Sharat Kumar is a Bangalore boy. I was born in Delhi. My first kelsa in Maridu, Bangalore in Maridu. And what did he do, Sharat Sir? I was a cycle boy delivering newspapers in the streets of Bangalore. When I worked in a cycle shop, Hero Cycles in OPH Road Ali, cycle shop on the day. A cycle shop Ali, Ludhiana and the cycle parts bataito, so I had to go and make fitting job. As a fitter, cycle fit part hodo na job agittu. 1977. So don't calculate my age is always 35. So then I worked in a toy shop. Then Anandrao Circle Ali, Vista Vision and the television shop at there. Then of course, I don't want to talk politics here. I would have made a killing in television sales during Asiad. I was selling black and white television, Solidar and Bush televisions. I thought I'll make a killing. I bought lot of sets, paid cash discount Ali. I bought it. Then our wonderful lady, the Iron Lady, then Prime Minister, late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, announced color television for 3,000 rupees. Because every black and white set that I had at that time was 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, 12,000. So the Anni closed Chesi, I went back to Chennai. That is my life. So Bangalore is not new to me. And I have gone to all the streets. Even to Nodre, that time we didn't need fans, no air conditions. Because of industrialization, we need air conditions now, but because of so much of things have changed. Everything has changed. Even I can't travel on road Bangalore. I don't even know the places now because the main street and Gottagutto, we have to see the girls, we have to go to Commercial Street, see the girls, we have to go to Brigade Road. Other meeting point, I have to tell the truth, I have to be transparent. So now I have become a 3HP head of the family, so I don't want to talk about it. So all my friends who are here, a lot of friends are here. Every time I come here, I try to meet them. Central Bank, MPPC, Mohanavaru, a very, very, very close family to me. So this is my family. This is about 3 BHK. First of all, let me thank Arun Vishwa and of course Sri Ganesh, the director. Like I said, is a sweet-hearted dictator. And Arun Vishwa, thank you for selecting me for this project. And initially I had few doubts about whether everybody Kanasunda, Leda, and Gottaglila. How am I mixing all the language? So I feel everybody will have a dream. So all of you here, like Siddhartha asked you, we have seen failures in life. Many failures. Failures is just a stepping stone to success. You have heard that proverb many a time. And in my life I have seen many failures. I am here standing here, as you may call the Supreme Sir, Sharad Kumar, 168 films. But I have seen the deepest of troubles I have been into, and I have been risen back. We had a house in 45 Palace Road, we had maintained it today, we have sold it for minimum 45 to 50 crores. But that is not life. I wanted to see life the way I wanted to see it. It is my earning that I spent, not my father's money or my mother's money. So 3 BHK, I should of course thank Amrit for lovely music and Siddharth having some songs, and Devyani, Meeta and Chaitra. And Sidhu, it's all great working with all of you and with a great experience. And only one thing we like to say as a team of 3 BHK, Prabhu, Aarti, Shanti and Aishu, that we as a family, we have tried to give the best. Everyone here would like to build a home, a roof above the head. Even if you don't have anything to eat, you don't have clothes to wear, you can lock your house and stay at home. Adu bekayi. So in that dream, you dream big. You'll never be beaten when your efforts are there. Fight very hard. I have fallen from that time. But think I'm exaggerating. I fell from that time. I broke my neck. There was a bone taken from my hip, placed in my C4, C5, and there are 2 plates and 4 screws. That means I'm basically and truly an Iron Man. I lost my voice. My right vocal cord is paralyzed, but I still scream and shout. So the doctor told me not to ride a cycle, not to ride a bike, not to even drive a car, not to look back and drive because my ankle becomes stiff. But I've done it all. And then I jumped at 10 feet higher than that from a movie called Mahi to take the fear out of that. So failure is just nothing. It's just an experience that you go through in life. I've fallen many times. I've lost elections, bounced back, won elections. And still I'm here because the love of all of you here and everybody in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala and all over. And I have the opportunity to finish a Hindi film with Neetuji and Kapil Sharma, which was shot in Simla recently. So, true to say, I'm a pan-India artist like Siddharth. And this film, like how Siddharth said, why you should see this film? It is family. At the end of the day, all of us can have houses. But to have